Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to blend in your 7 set clip-in extensions and how to make them look super voluminous. I'm going to be using this balayage bronze set in the natural wavy texture. This one is about 200 grams and it's 20 inches long. So it's going to be super thick from top to bottom. And the reason that I've chosen this is because the balayage sets need to be blended in properly so that it looks super natural. So yeah, let's go. This is currently my natural hair and I'm going to go ahead and clip on the 7 set first, and these are the 3 layers that go at the back. So this is the 4 clip and these are the 3 clips. So all of these are going to go at the back. I'm going to go ahead and clip those on and then we'll style it later once the entire set is on. So now that the back extensions are on, we'll go ahead and clip the front ones. At this stage, the hair doesn't look the best. It's not in the same texture and it needs to be blended in to make sure that it looks as natural. And yeah, I'll go ahead and clip these two on each side now. So the entire set is now on and you can see that the volume has already increased. And I just wanted to tell you that there's no such rule as to clipping the extensions on a certain way. So you can do it any way that you're comfortable with. And as you can see, even though this is a 200 gram set, it actually lays super flat because it's the seamless set that we provide. So, and it's actually quite lightweight because it's a 7 set, so the weight has been divided amongst the entire set. And I would say that the 7 set is actually the best to work with if you're somebody who does a lot of hairstyles. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and style these and you'll see what a difference it actually makes. So you just go ahead, section your hair any way you like, and then use some heat protectant before you actually style the extensions. And yeah, just go ahead and style them. So when you're actually styling the extensions, the key in blending is making sure that you take your hair along with the extensions so that it gives it a more natural blend, so it doesn't look like blots of hair, and you need to do that each time you actually curl it. So I've taken my hair as well as the extensions, and now I'll go ahead and use any styling tool. So I wanted to show you what different styling makes. This side I have just finished styling and it looks more lustrous, it looks more blended in compared to this. So this is the final look. I've finished styling it and it has blended in flawlessly.